Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer life policies with New York Life easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your life policy with New York Life, visit the official New York Life website. Navigate to the customer service section, usually found at the top of the homepage. Select policy maintenance from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled transfer ownership and click on it. You may need to log into your account, so enter your credentials as prompted. Once logged in, locate the policy you wish to transfer. Carefully review the policy details to ensure it is the correct one. Select the transfer option associated with that policy. You will be prompted to provide the new owner's information. Fill out the required fields, including the new owner's name, address, and relation. Make sure to include any additional required documentation, if specified. Review all entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, follow the prompts to submit your transfer request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your request has been submitted. Save or print this confirmation for your records. New York Life will process your request and notify both parties once the transfer is complete. For any questions, consider reaching out to customer support through the website or by phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.